Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wealth States. Let's start video how to build wealth for beginners 2024. Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing enough money to live the life you've always wanted. Financial freedom, where stress is replaced by opportunity, and you're living life by your design. But here's the thing, achieving that dream starts with one simple choice today. Are you ready to learn the basics of building real wealth and changing your future? Setting the stage. Why wealth? Building matters. Let's be real. Money touches everything. From the food on your table to the vacations you take, the money you manage today determines the lifestyle you'll have tomorrow. And with inflation, job uncertainty, and the rising cost of living, building wealth is no longer just a dream, it's a necessity. Ever think about how your future self would thank you for setting a solid financial foundation today? Well, now's your chance. So let's dive into the journey of building wealth, starting with understanding where your money is going, knowing your financial baseline. To build wealth, you need to know your starting point. Think of it like planning a road trip. How can you know where you're going if you don't know where you are? Understanding your income, expenses, and savings potential gives you a financial map. Don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to live on ramen noodles for the rest of your life, but tracking every dollar you spend, yeah, that might be a good idea. Once you've got a grasp on your finances, it's time to focus on what actually builds wealth, growing your money. The magic of compound interest. Let's talk about compound interest, one of the most powerful forces in wealth building. Picture each dollar you save multiplying itself over time, like a snowball rolling downhill. The earlier you start, the bigger the impact. Ever wonder why so many millionaires credit compound interest as their secret weapon? It's because every dollar invested today is worth tenfold in the future. But how exactly do you start? Let's talk about the essential wealth building tools available to you. Building wealth through investment accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, and brokerage accounts. These are more than just acronyms. They're gateways to financial independence. Each offers unique advantages, from tax benefits to flexibility, which can accelerate your wealth building journey. And no, you don't have to be a financial wizard to use these accounts. A 401k is your built-in investment account from work, and a Roth IRA. That's your own personal retirement fund with tax-free growth. But accounts alone don't build wealth. You need to know where to invest your money once it's in these accounts. Asset allocation, stocks, bonds, and diversification. Let's get into how to diversify your investments. Stocks give you growth potential, bonds provide stability, and a mix of both balances your risk. Diversification spreads your money across different assets, reducing the impact of a single loss. Think of it like ordering a pizza with all the toppings instead of just pepperoni. If one topping doesn't taste great, you still have the others. Investing is crucial, but it's also about what you don't do. And that brings us to the importance of avoiding debt. The danger of debt. Debt can cripple your wealth building journey. Credit card interest, student loans, and personal debts drain away the money that could be growing in your investments. Clearing debt is like cutting away a ball and chain. It frees you to walk faster towards financial freedom. Imagine putting the money you pay towards interest into your savings instead. How quickly would that add up? Once you've reduced debt, it's time to protect what you're building with an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund life throws curveballs, unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. An emergency fund is your cushion, keeping you from dipping into investments when things go south. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Think of it as an insurance policy that you hope you'll never need, like that extra phone charger you keep but hardly use. With your emergency fund in place, you're ready to move to the next level, increasing your income. The power of multiple income streams. Wealthy individuals know that relying on one paycheck isn't enough. Side hustles, investments, freelancing, these are ways to diversify your income and accelerate your wealth building. Each extra dollar you earn brings you closer to your financial goals. Have you thought about how a side hustle could change your financial future? The potential is unlimited, and while earning more is essential, keeping more of your earnings is equally important. That brings us to tax strategies. Tax strategies for beginners. Taxes can either drain your wealth or work in your favor. Learning tax-efficient strategies like contributing to tax-advantaged accounts or taking deductions can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Tax strategy doesn't mean trickery, it's just smart planning. And who doesn't want to pay less legally? Next up, let's look at the power of financial knowledge and self-education. Investing in financial education. Self-education is one of the best investments you can make. Books, podcasts, and courses teach you everything from budgeting to investing strategies, empowering you to make smarter choices. Imagine the compound impact of knowledge over time. It's like your brain's version of compound interest. With all this knowledge, you're well equipped. But there's one more critical thing, your mindset. Cultivating a wealth mindset. A wealth mindset isn't just about money, it's about discipline, gratitude, and resilience. Cultivating this mindset helps you avoid pitfalls like impulsive spending and stay focused on your goals. Are you thinking like a spender or an investor? This mindset shift could be your biggest asset in building wealth. Ready for the final piece? Let's tie it all together with a step-by-step roadmap. A beginner's roadmap to wealth. Here's how you bring it all together. Start by knowing your numbers, build your emergency fund, invest early and wisely, and increase your income. Stay debt-free, keep learning, and practice discipline every day. Each small choice today adds up to a big difference tomorrow. Building wealth isn't about one huge step, it's thousands of small, powerful steps. Building wealth takes time and commitment, but you're already a step ahead just by watching this video. If you're ready to stop wasting money and want to learn how to cut sneaky expenses, click on the link to my video, Stop Losing Money: 7 Sneaky Expenses to Cut Now, for more actionable tips. Thanks for watching. For more personal finance ideas, be sure to subscribe to Wealth States. Let's build a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's your reality.